Hi everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I am super excited for Christmas in July, and that is happening now. Christmas in July 2024, the big subscriber mega giveaway. And this month, all month, we're going to be doing inspiration on this channel for you to get ready for Christmas. And one of the big things that I want to get started this month is your Christmas planner and December daily, if you want to do that. It's going to be in junk journal form, and so the pages are going to fit just right, and we're just going to have some fun with it. A lot of things happening this month, so I hope that you can join me for all of it. So I want to show you for the big subscriber mega giveaway for Christmas in July is that for my subscribers, so you do have to be a subscriber to participate, you will be eligible to win one of these amazing prizes on my channel. So it'll be like Christmas for you already. So we're going to be doing the drawing July 31st, not December, July 31st, and you will enter in the comments of this video Christmas in July. So you can enter every single day. You can enter multiple times a day if you share the video. You can share it on your social medias. You can email it to a friend. You can even text it to someone. As long as you share it, come back and enter again, Christmas in July, in the comments. There will also be hidden giveaways this month, so don't miss those. Well, I'm not wanting to put guilt on you or anything, but I am telling you, and so be watchful of possible hidden giveaways in videos this month. All right, so let me show you the fun prizes that are going to be in the giveaway. Remember the comments, Christmas in July, rules, 18 or older, subscriber to my channel. You have to enter in the comments, and you have to claim your prize within 7 days, US or Canada only. Okay. All right, let me show you what all is in the giveaway. One of the first things that I want to show you is a set of stamps. These two sets will be one giveaway prize. Another giveaway prize is a set of 12 miniature stamps. So it gives you, it's kind of a sampler. It's 12 different colors, along with the stamping blocks. So that's a different giveaway as well. Another one is 3 blenders with caps for your blenders. So these are blender brushes. I'll show you, these are the kind that I used in my altered book journal that you saw, and they are really nice. Let me pull the cover off, and it's a fun set to use for your journals. So you'll love this. It's a set of 3. Another prize is a Crafter's Companion corner punch. It has 3 different sizes or styles around the thing. It's just like the one that I use, and I know that you would love it if you won that. Another prize is a sewing kit. It's really cute, and it's great for travel. And it looks like this. It's in its own little pouch. I'm going to open it up and show you what all is in it. So you've got needles, scissors, a thimble. You've got, I think that's it. Yep, a thimble. You've got a threader, some little clips, and different colors of thread. So this will be really neat for those that like to do some sewing on maybe your journal pages and everything. So it's by Simply Sew by Artica. And that little set is just a jewel for those of you that like adding that to your designs. All right, the next thing that I have for you is a little set here. It's Sugary Gal Shop, and it's a kit. It's a paper crafting kit called This Is Us, and in the kit it has all these fun pieces to go with it. It has washi, it has some directions, and it has papers. So let me get that out to show you. And So anyway, really fun set. I know that you'll love it if you win it. So it comes in this fun box, and just got to get my address and stuff off of it because it was mailed just like this. But I think you'll like it, and that is another fun one. All right, let me show you the next one, which is in this box here. And I need to open it first. All right, this is a mini sewing machine by Magicfly. You get the mini sewing machine, the little table. I'm not going to take it out, but the little table or arm there to help you sew bigger things. You get the little sewing kit and the power cords, of course. And so this is a really fun treat, I think, for anyone that wants to sew some of their pages and things for their junk journal. And it is purple. So who wouldn't want that, right? All right, so I'm putting that back in the box, actually, because that's as far as I've gone with it. So it'll be brand new to someone. And then lastly, the last gift or prize is actually the grand prize. And you would have thought the sewing machine was, but I know how much you guys like to watch YouTube, and I know you like to watch me and participate. And so this is a tablet. It is, I don't have the specs right here. I did have them, but the specs are that it's, I believe it's a 10-inch tablet. It is brand new tablet. It has, I believe, 64 gigabytes, and the RAM is 4 up to 12. And you can add, you have a little card slot, a micro card slot to put in there so that you can extend your memory up to 2 terabytes, I think. So this is amazing, you guys. This is going to be an amazing prize for someone. And it's very lightweight. You will probably want to get your own cover. I did not buy the cover because everybody has preferences, but I will show you. It's right here, has the camera and everything. I am not going to turn it on or get it started in any way, but I'm gonna put it back in here, and somebody is going to have an awesome Christmas in July. So there's lots of fun prizes this month. I hope that you will participate. Christmas in July is your word, and thanks so much for being a part of my YouTube family, my membership, my Patreon, and my subscribers. So thank you so much. Participate, enter, and have a great time. Come back for some inspiration. It's going to be fun.